Yo, what's up guys? I made a huge breakfast. If you the vegan police, don't come for me, because I ain't got time for no vegan police. This is for the people that still enjoy everything. We're not on the Dr. Sebi like YouTube channel or nothing like that. We're gonna eat good today. We're gonna eat really goddamn good. You see this food? This food was amazing. I made this for myself on Father's Day and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Yes, I know I said Father's Day. I should have been uploaded this. Sorry, just stick around for the recipe. First, we're starting off with the pancakes. And here I have my dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You want to start off with your dry ingredients. Then with your dry ingredients, you're going to add your wet ingredients. The wet is add 1 cup of non-dairy milk and about a teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just going to mix that until your arm feels like it's going to fall off. You want like just a general, normal pancake batter consistency. It's going to take a little while, but you'll get there. Heat your pan up, throw a little oil in the pan, and then pour your pancakes in like you would do normal pancakes. I didn't have video of me pouring it in there because, I don't know, just didn't. Sorry, I'm working on that. I'm gonna get better with my skills. Flip those pancakes, keep the heat on medium. Make it as dark as you want, as light as you want. Wait for the little bubbles before you flip the pancakes. Moving on to the sausage. Fill roast sausage, nice and easy. Take it out the pack, put some oil in a pan, and cook it. Look at that. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. I try to keep my recipes very... Next is your potatoes. Take your potatoes, slice them up, boil them in some water, and then do that for 15 minutes. Next, just mix it with some onions and salt, pepper, and throw that in a pan of oil, cook it down. Next, we're gonna move on to the tofu scramble. With that tofu scramble, you take a block of tofu, you dry the tofu out, add some turmeric, you add some salt and some pepper, and then you'll have you some good tofu scramble. Throw that in a pan with some oil like you cook regular eggs. Cook it down, oil or vegan butter, either or, whatever works for you. Next thing you want to do is make these biscuits. Set your oven for 350. Get out your self-rising flour. You don't need anything else because the flour has everything in it. So you get 3 cups of the flour. Next thing you do is add the butter, the vegan butter. Chop the butter up in there. And what you just want to do is kind of mash it up into the flour mixture. Once you mash it all up into that flour mixture, you want to add 1 1/4 cup of vegan milk or any non-dairy milk. So when you add that milk, you want to add it right to it. And then you just mix it on up. Just mix it on up. Right now I'm just still showing me cutting the vegan butter up because the vegan butter is vegan butter. But no, you just want to cut it up. That's what's going to make these biscuits nice and flaky. You want a nice flaky biscuit. I mean, these biscuits are better than McDonald's or anywhere you used to get a biscuit ever in your life. I mean, like the best biscuits, better than Popeyes. And they're so easy to make. So that's me adding a cup of non-dairy milk. Then you're gonna mix it around a little. So I started looking for the consistency that I'm looking for, but it takes about 1 1/4 cup of dairy milk to get the exact right consistency that I was looking for. So once it kind of has that doughy consistency right there, what you're gonna want to do is prep your surface with regular flour, and then you just get your dough. You pick your dough up and put it right in the middle there. Also, coat your hands with regular flour too, because you don't want flour all over your, you don't want the dough to get stuck to your fingers. That gets annoying. So I just took the lid from a mason jar to form my biscuits. So I put that in an oiled pan, I just sprayed like some Pam on the pan and threw it in there. I use actually like an olive oil cooking spray, you know what I mean. So anyhow, you put that in there and you throw it in the oven as soon as you get that done. You put it in the oven at 350, and before you know it, they're gonna be done. They're gonna come out the oven looking nice and golden. But one thing I did before I put it in the oven is I took some melted butter and also added a little bit of agave to the melted butter and poured that right over top of the biscuits. I used the agave to make it a little sweet. I used to use like honey or something, but now I use the agave because I want it to be vegan, of course. So back in the old days would do honey, but this will come out just as good. I guarantee that you will love it. And if you made it this far, you're getting ready to enjoy a big breakfast. Remember, those biscuits take 10 minutes and that's it. That is it. Top your pancakes with some fruit, some syrup. You know what I'm saying? I had 100% maple syrup right there. Now this food was off the chain. I hope you try it. Eat grass, not ass. I'll see you on the next video. Tag me in your pictures on Instagram. Tell me how it came out. See you guys. Thanks for watching again, and I'll be back with more. See you in the comment section.